Differentiation rules. d by dx of u plus v equal to d by dx of u plus d by dx of v. d by dx of u into v is equal to u dv by dx plus v du by dx. So whenever the function is in product, keep first term as it is, differentiate the second term, plus keep the second term as it is, differentiate the first term. This is called product rule. d by dx of u by v, quotient rule, that is v du by dx minus u dv by dx divided by v square. Quotient rule. 4. d by dx of f of g of x. When the function is function of a function, then f dash of g of x. Differentiate first f. So f dash of g of x into g dash of x. This is called chain rule. d by dx of k into f of x. K constant. So now k, since it is independent of the variable, with the k வெளியில் எடுத்தலாம். So this is equal to k into d by dx of f of x. Next, differentiation of some elementary functions. Sixth one, d by dx of constant. Derivative of constant is equal to 0. 7. d by dx of x power n is equal to n x power n minus 1. n வந்து முன்னாடி கொண்டு வந்துட்டு இந்த n இருந்து ஒரு நம்பரை லெஸ் பண்ணணும். Next, d by dx of x power p by q is equal to the same concept தான், p by q x power p by q minus 1. So, for any real number alpha, d by dx of x power alpha is equal to alpha x power alpha minus 1. 9. d by dx of log x base e is equal to, நம்ம log x base e, generally e என்றதை நம்ம போட மாட்டோம். இது this can be written also d by dx of log x, and derivative of log x is 1 by x. Number 10, d by dx of log x base a. Whenever the base is other than e, the derivative of log x base a is log e base a into 1 by x. Again, by change of base rule, this can also be written as 1 by log a into x. Log e base a can be written as 1 by log a base e into x. Next, d by dx of a power x is equal to a power x into log a. d by dx of e power x equal to e power x. Next, derivative of trigonometric functions. d by dx of sin x equal to cos x. d by dx of cos x equal to minus sin x. d by dx of tan x equal to secant square x. 16. d by dx of secant x equal to secant x into tan x. d by dx of cosecant x is equal to minus cosecant x into cot x. d by dx of cot x equal to minus cosecant square x. Derivative of inverse trigonometric functions. d by dx of sin inverse of x is 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. d by dx of cos inverse of x is minus 1 by root 1 minus x square. d by dx of tan inverse of x is 1 by 1 plus x square. d by dx of cot inverse of x is minus 1 by 1 plus x square. d by dx of secant inverse of x is 1 by x into root x square minus 1. d by dx of cosecant inverse of x is minus 1 by x into root x square minus 1.